today?
I feel great.
Good.
Boy, it's a nice day at the park, isn't it?
It sure is, Oliver.
Hey, Benny.
Yeah.
You want to race?
I sure do. I like racing.
All right, let's stand by this tree.
Okay.
All right, you see that tree over there?
Yeah.
We're going to run from this tree to that tree.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Get on your mark, get set, go!
Go.
Oh,
I won!
man! Oh, man!
I won, Oliver!
You sure did. Oh, I'm so out of breath.
Oh, Oliver. Oh, guess what, Oliver?
What, Benny?
So, Father Tab and Mrs. Wiggles came in the classroom the other day and they talked about some African American firsts who did sports.
They did.
So, Father Tab, he talked about Earl Lloyd.
Oh, I remember him.
Earl Lloyd was the first African American basketball player.
That's right, he sure was.
Yeah, and did you know that he played for the Detroit Pistons?
That's right, he sure did.
Oh, wow.
Man,
And Mrs. Wiggles, she talked about Willie O'Ree.
Willie O'Ree, who was he? I forgot about
Willie
him.
O'Ree was the first African American hockey player.
That's right, that's
Yeah.
right. He was the first African American hockey player.
Yeah, that was very interesting.
That was. Oh, do you remember? And these two are my two favorite sports. I love these two. I guess I can remember them.
Who is that?
I like to bowl.
I do too.
Yeah, and she talked about the first black male bowler by the name of George Branham.
George Branham?
That's right. A lot of people don't know about him. In fact, I didn't even know anything about him until Mama Wiggles was reading about him during class. You remember that?
I sure do, Oliver. I sure do.
And another person that Fun with Tad was reading about was my favorite baseball player.
Who is that?
Well, he used to be my favorite baseball player. I thought he was talking about Jackie Robinson.
Uh-huh.
But I didn't know that there was a baseball player before Jackie Robinson.
Oh, wow. Who was that?
His name was Moses Fleetwood. Okay, let me see that last name. Moses Fleetwood. Well, that's the only ones I remember. But he was the baseball player before Jackie Robinson.
Wow. That is very interesting, Oliver.
And I think it was 60 years before Jackie Robinson.
That's a long time ago.
Yeah, we weren't even born during that time.
No, we weren't, Oliver.
Oh, man. That was fun today, wasn't it?
It sure was. Guess what?
What?
You ready to race again?
Yeah, I'm ready to race. This time I'm going to beat you this time. All right, we're going to start at this tree now.
Okay,
All right, let me go over here. All right,
let's
get on your mark. Get set. Wait a minute, you got a head start. You trying to cheat on me. I got you. All right, get on your mark. Get set. Go.
Go.
Oh, man.
I'm ready.
Oh,
Yay.
man. He beat me again.
All right, boys and girls, and everybody else.
Did you have fun learning about some African American firsts in sports?
Yeah.
Oh, you remember Mrs. Wiggles was talking about next time she's gonna read about some first African female in sports.
Yeah, I sure did. She talked about that, Oliver, and I can't wait.
Me neither. All right, I hope to see you there too.